And Sean, can you make one step towards me so she has more room to stay? Very good.
Someone was starting with them.
I'm sorry. Megan, put your hand over here. That's it. And get close with your face. Sean, you go back with your face.
Go back with my face?
A little bit.
You go back, I go forward.
Turn your face to me, Sean. That's it. And perfect. Don't look at me. Just look at the statue.
Am I looking at him?
Yes. Give me 1 second, guys. Channel 1. So, John, I'm gonna stand here. So do the same thing you did before. You can put your hand over here. And you're gonna look at each other. Aim to the top. You put your hand here.
Yeah.
Now look at each other, guys. Beautiful. 1, 2. Top bar is too much. Let's go to 1, 4. Okay, so clear your face here a little bit, and Megan, can you bend your left ear? Yeah, up there. Yeah. Now look at each other and close your eyes. 1, 2. Megan, can you come with your face towards me a little bit? Yes. Get close. 1, 2. Perfect. Add a shadow on her nose. 1, 2. Now, Megan, turn your face to me, and Sean, you look at her, okay? 1, 2. And now, Megan, look down your shoulder. And Sean, you look at her. Perfect. Now, Sean, kiss her on the neck. So, and Sean, yes, exactly. Put it maybe on this one. The lower one. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, 1 second, 1 second. Megan, you'll just give me 1 second. Okay. Okay. So you're gonna kiss her on the neck. You're gonna chin up a little bit, Megan. Turn your face towards me. You're gonna breathe from your lips. And close your eyes, both of you. Kiss on the cheek, on the neck. Enjoy that kiss. Ready? 1, 2. Bend your right leg. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Get closer with your face. Turn your face to the right, Megan. And give me very soft fingers, okay?
Where's my necklace then?
Don't have it straight, just, yeah. Hold his hand. Ready guys, 1, 2. As a me, Megan. Face each other. Switch the umbrella on the other side because your face is on this side. Okay, so you're gonna bend your right leg again. Megan. You're gonna turn your face this way. Again, you're gonna go close to her. Chin up, Megan. Chin up, chin up, chin up. Sean, can you make a little step towards her? Okay, yes. And try to have your legs separated like this. Yeah. A little bit more. That's it. Turn your face towards me a little bit more, Megan, yes, and look at the light. Get close, Sean. Megan, get close to him. Sean, step back a little bit with your face. That's it. 1, 2. 1 second. Let me reduce the power. 132. That's 3.2. Now kiss her on the neck. And turn your face to the right, Megan. Don't lean down a little bit. That's it. Chin up, Megan. 1, 2.
Oh wow. Beautiful. Beautiful.
So you have I have the whole scene, then I went tight.
So gorgeous. What do you think?
I love
Good?
this.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
When you look inside.
Oh my god. Absolutely stunning. Okay, look.
Oh wow. Yeah, really nice. Wow.
So nice. Good job.
Thank you. Bring.
Like that?
I don't like it.
Yeah.
So bring, just put your hand over here.
Yeah.
That's it. I want to have a close up of that beautiful ring. It's going all out. It's okay, her mom is here. She's just videotaping everything.
I forgot she's even here actually.
Now stay in the middle of the gate now, on the grass. Let me go all the way in the back. Now, get close. It's too cheesy.
Yeah.
Hold inside the Okay, and turn your body to Sean a little bit, and very good. Yeah. Now face each other, guys. Bend your leg. Look at each other. Look at me. Now get close. Here, guys. Sean, go on the other side again. Again, face each other. Clear your face.
Okay.
Get close. Get close, close, close. Close. Bend your right leg. So we're using a MagMod to illuminate the capo. Get close. And I am at F9, ISO 100. And 1/200 of a second. See how it goes. Yeah. Power at 1/4. A little bit more. Let's do 1/2. Half the power. And it's perfect. Okay, ready, guys? 1, 2. Look at each other. I changed the setting. I went to F14 to make more dramatic. Now, Sean, look at her. And Mega, look at me. One more. 1, 2. Beautiful. Now look at him. Look at his, that's it. Hold on. 1, 2. Look at his eyes. Can you move a tiny bit this leaf over here? Yeah. Thank you. And cross your legs. Reverse the legs. And put your hands on your thigh. And bring it back a little bit now. Not on your butt, on your thigh. Hold on. And then go back. Close your elbow. That's it. Look at her, Sean. That's it. Look how beautiful she is. Too much. Go for a kiss, guys.